What's up guys, Innocent here. I'm doing chest today and I want to show you a quick routine that I do to warm up my chest before I do any chest. So I use these foams for suspension or elevation, put them on the floor. I get into a push-up position. This is my shoulder width palm placement, but they're gonna be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. And then my right arm is gonna be on top of these foams. And when I go down, I have to make sure that I stop at this angle where there's a 90-degree angle here. So I do 10 reps. So 90-degree angle on my left arm. When it's 90 here, I get a full stretch on side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I switch. The one on the floor, 90-degree angle on the elbow. 90-degree angle here, meaning I get a full stretch on this right arm, right pec. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just do one set. I get a full stretch and warm up on my pecs. And then this is another tip. If you always experience a shoulder pain after doing a chest or while doing a bench press or shoulder, whatever, mainly when you're doing bench press, flat bench press. So when you hold the bar, the elbows shouldn't be like this. You shouldn't be doing like this. Just think of it like this. When you're walking, our arms are doing like this. Meaning the elbows can go back past this point without feeling any pain on your shoulders. But if you lift them up like this and then try to go, you see any point past the shoulder level going here, when your elbows are elevated up like that, you start feeling the pain on your shoulder. So think of it like that. Every time you do a bench press, you hold the bar like this, and then you have weights, and then your elbows are up like that, like this. And then here it's okay. The moment you reach past this shoulder point, you start going backwards. When your elbows are up like that, when you go back, you start injuring or tearing your shoulder muscles. So always think of it like that. Like this. Elbows in, not up like that. I hope it works for you. It worked for me. So like I always say guys, I'm gonna go do my chest workout. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. You could be doing anything, but you decided to watch my videos. I really don't take that for granted, so I appreciate it. And like I always say, be safe out there and spread love. Innocent, I'll just kill it. What's up guys, Innocent here. So today, just find anything that can suspend you. Okay, I'll show you in there. Fuck. What's up guys, Innocent here. I'm training chest today and I thought I should just show you a quick routine that I do before I do chest to warm up and stretch my pecs before I start doing any chest exercise. So I use this. You can use anything. Just make sure that it can perform the same. Shit. Take two. What's up guys? What's up guys? Innocent here. So today I'm going to do chest, and I just thought I should show you a quick warm-up that I do before I do chest to help me warm up my chest and stretch my pecs. So I use this. You can use anything, books or something. So the first thing I do is put one arm, doesn't matter left or right. Make sure you are shoulder width, and then just some extra inches out. What's up, guys? Yours in here. What's up, guys? Yours in here. I'm doing chest today, and I just wanted to show you what I do to stretch my chest and open up my pecs before I do any chest exercise. So I use foams, just something that can I don't know how many inches is this, but you see what I'm doing. Just you can use anything that can have a little suspension, you know, from the floor. What's up, guys? Nelson here. I'm training chest today, and I want to show you how I warm up my chest and open up my pecs to avoid injuries before I do any chest exercise. So I use foams for suspension. You can use anything. If you can find it in the gym, I don't know, whatever gym you go to. If it's at home, you can have books. Yeah, so I put them here. So I'm gonna go into a push-up position, and then the palm placement, this is my shoulder width apart placement, and then it's gonna be like just a little bit wider, not too wide, you know. This is my shoulder width apart, so this is gonna be just slightly wider than shoulder width apart. And then this arm is gonna be on these foams that is suspended from the floor. This palm is gonna be on the floor. So when I go down, I have to make sure that this arm that is on the floor form a 90-degree angle here. So when this form, you see what I mean. So I would rather show you than keep explaining. My English is horrible. So here again, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. The arm that is on the floor, 90-degree angle there. So every time you get into a 90-degree position on this, you get a full stretch here because this arm is suspended. It's a little bit up. So when you form 90-degree angle here, this arm is I don't know if it's over or under 90-degree angle. I'm not a mathematician, but you get the point. How can I say? This muscle here is not intended to stretch past this position. Then you start tearing your muscles. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is what's up, guys? Innocent here. A little bit, just 2 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I'm done. Yeah. What's up, guys? Innocent here. I'm doing chest today.